In order to check storage on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, we need to open the settings. In the settings, you need to scroll down and go to device care. And now over here we have storage. We can see how much gigabytes we have available. We can also tap on the storage itself in order to find some more options and data. So we have the internal storage. If you have the SD card inserted, then you can also check the SD card, how much is used and how much is left. And of course, we also have internal storage for duplicated apps as well. And we can also tap show more in order to find more data. We can tap on specific categories over here in order to find the files to check, for instance, which files occupy that much space. If you scroll down, you also have the option to check trash to see unused apps, so apps that are considered not used in the last 30 days, duplicate files, and large files that are bigger than 25 megabytes, at least by default. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!